Hi, truck and SUV fanatics! Snapping on a sold set of four-wheel drive wheel spacers is one of the best ways to boost your ride style and performance. Most factory spacers run 20mm to 2 inches, nothing wild, but pushing wheels out widens track width, a wider track boosts on off-road stability and gives that aggressive head-turning stance we all want. Swapping new aftermarket wheels, you will likely need spacers to fix offset issues. A common headache for off-roading junkies, four-wheel drive spacers are game changers, but the wrong ones mean botched installs and safety risks. Let's break down the key factors for picking the best ones. Top 5 picks of four-wheel drive wheel spacers for truck and SUV. Proper sizes. Size boils down to preference. Want a low-key tweak? Thinner spacers. Work for a subtle stance. Crave aggression? Go thicker, 30mm to 40mm. They make wheels pop with a wide-body vibe. High-strength material. Keep it real. Forged aluminum alloy spacers are the gold standard for trucks, backed by theory, experience, and gearheads everywhere. They are hardened while manufacturing strength cycles, tough enough for off-road abuse. Skin firmly cast part, forge is king. More corrosion resistance. Corrosion runs off-road spacers. One of the top failure causes. Aluminum's natural properties resist rust and corrosion, holding up better than other metals in mud, water, and harsh terrain. Wheel stud strength. Bigger spacers need strong wheel stud for solid clamping force. Don't cut corners. Opt for ISO grade 12.9 stud. Their industrial strength, handling off-road torque without snapping or stripping. Brand matters. Stick to reputable brands. Period. Top brand test spacers rigorously before shipping, ensuring they handle prop holes and rough terrain. Skip cheap no-names. Your rig deserves better. BONOSS gives no corners, focusing on innovative engineering and top-tier manufacturing. Their forged FT cooling spacers deliver perfect stance, flawless fitment, and long-lasting reliability. Choose BONOSS if you demand the best for your ride.